In today's video, I'll be discussing some of the 2-mark questions from the chapter Probability. So the first question is, a card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a card of spade or an ace, neither a jack nor a king. So before solving this problem, I just briefly explain about this card. So in a deck of cards, total number of cards is 52. We have total 52 cards. Out of that, 26 are red in color and 26 are black in color. So we have 26 red cards and 26 black cards. So diamond and heart will come under red, spade and club will come under black. Now this 52 cards are actually divided into 4 suits of 13 cards in each. That means 13 cards. In heart we have 13 cards. In diamond we have 13 cards. In the same way, in spade and club we have 13 cards. So spade as well as club we have 13 cards. Now in each suit we have suit means there will be 13 cards. So in each suit we have an ace, okay, a king, then we have a queen, and also we have a jack. So an ace, a king, a queen and a jack. Also we have card numbered from 2 to 10, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 13 cards are there. So before doing any card problem, you should know this basic fact that in 52 cards, total 52 cards are there. Out of that, 26 is red in color and 26 is black in color. And we have 13, the red cards. In red cards, we have heart and diamond. So 13 are heart and 13 cards are diamond. Same way, 13 cards we have spade and 13 cards we have club. And this altogether, this 13 cards we will say as one suit, and each suit contains an ace, a king and queen, a jack, and card numbers from 2 to 10. Now coming back to the problem, we have 52 cards and we want to find the probability of a card of spade or an ace. So how many cards are there? Cards of spade or an ace. Just now we have seen there is 13 spade and ace means total 4 aces are there. One from heart. So total 4 aces are there. One from heart, one from diamond, one from spade, one from club. But already we have taken all the cards from the spade. So we have remaining, how many aces are there? 3 aces are there. So a card of spade or an ace is total, we have 60. Now what is the total number of cards? Total number of cards is 52. Now what is the probability that a card drawn is spade or ace? We know the formula for probability is number of favorable outcomes divide by total number of outcome. So favorable outcome is 16 and total number of outcome is 52. So the answer is 16 by 52. You can make it even in the lower form, that is 4 by 30. And we know that probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. So when you get the answer, you can check that whether it lies between 0 and 1. So the now second part is, it should be neither a jack nor a king. So neither a jack nor a king. That means total how many jack and how many king we have. Jack or king, we have 4 jack and plus 4 king we have. Neither a jack nor a king means probability of neither a jack nor a king. That means whichever card we are drawing, it should not be a jack or a king. So total 52 is there. From that we are going to subtract this 8. So we have 44. And probability means number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 52. So the answer is 44 by 52. We can simplify as 11 by 13. So neither means it should not be. Either means you can add that both jack and king. Here neither a jack nor a king means whichever card we are drawing, it should not be jack or a king. Second question is, a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. Ramesh will win the game if all the tosses show the same result and lose the game otherwise. Find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. So, if a 1 rupee coin is tossed 3 times, what are the total possible outcomes? We either all the 3 times it can show head, or all the 3 times it can show tail, or first 2 times head and the last time tail, or the second time it can show tail, or the first time it can show tail and the remaining 2 times head. In the same way, the first time it can show head and the remaining 2 times tail. Again, second time alone it can shows head, then, and the last time alone it can show head. So the total number of possible outcomes, I have denoted capital letter H for head and capital letter T for tail. So we have total possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now Ramesh will win the game if all the tosses shows the same result. That means if the first 2 cases appear, he might win the game. He may win the game. But our question is, find the probability that Ramesh will lose the game. So the remaining 6 outcomes come, 6 cases come, he will lose the game. So the probability that we can write, Ramesh will lose the game, is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes is 8. Number of favorable outcomes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 by 8. Apart from the first 2, the remaining 6 you have to take, because if he will win the game only if all the tosses show the same result. So first keep apart the first 2 and the remaining 6 you take. So the answer for the question is 6 by 8. You can simplify this. So it will be 3 by 4. So thank you for watching the video.